Hi everyone, this is Kristie with AG Takes Over. If you have been following my channel for a while, hopefully you're subscribed, you know that I have 3 dollhouses. And in fact, I've done a video on them. You can go look at the playlist Dollhouse Tours on my channel and check that out. But the primary one that I change out and decorate seasonally is the one that's on the second floor because it's in the doll room, and that is also my work from home space. So I get to see this lovely dollhouse every single day when I go to work. And here are some looks at this dollhouse and what it's looked like over the past year or two. Generally, the living room area is on the right-hand side, dining area in the middle, kitchen stuff off to the left. As far as the living space, the living room area, sometimes it has a television and an entertainment center if it is spring or summer, and sometimes it has a chimney and fireplace if it is fall or winter. But pretty much, with the exception of moving the island around in the kitchen, it stays in this same layup until today. So this spring, the kitchen is going to be on the right, and well, I'll just show you. So I have this door that my very talented wife made. Yep, it's out of foam board. She found a tutorial on YouTube somewhere. And I love it because we can move it around. This is the first time I've put it in this placement. 5 hens and a cockatiel calendar from this year. And here, I don't remember the name of this dining table set, but we've got some silverware that I just got from Tim Holtz at Joann Fabric. There's an Our Generation salad there, but the actual plated meal is from American Girl. I had taken these cushions off because it was fall and winter and they didn't match, but I put them back on now. And then, hey Gwen. Gwen's just hanging out. This little trash can I got at Meijer. That's a store that I don't know if you have in your area, but I'm sure you can find these anywhere. They're just like desktop little cute trash cans. The plant is most likely from Target, but who knows? These picture frames are of relatively recent addition. We got them a few months ago, and I really like them. I'll try to juggle the phone and not shake you too much. But if you haven't seen these, and you can find them in different sizes, but they already came with the brackets if I remember correctly because they're picture frames. And I just print out a landscape and then tape it on the back. When I took the winter ones off, I just set them aside so that I can use them again next year. You don't have to, but you can use them again next year. This is one of those locker chandeliers, so it's more for decoration and the cool factor. It doesn't produce much light, but because it's meant to go in a locker, it's magnetic, right? And I could not find a good way to keep it up on the ceiling until I went, oh, just put metal thumbtacks in the ceiling. And there, it'll fall off if I knock it, but I don't typically knock that off too often. And it doesn't hurt it when I do. All right, now we're kind of moving to the middle, which has typically been the dining area, but I put the kitchen stuff in the middle. And this is the currently available kitchen, along with some Target Dollar Spot items, the hen, the eggs, and the egg sign. And then I think that's a Pioneer Woman from Walmart bowl, and I don't remember about the bunny. But we're coming up on Easter, or it's right around Easter time. Any of my doll tours, I've never opened it up to show you the foods. We keep most of the food in a box in the doll room closet, but I do have some food in here. Combination of Our Generation, American Girl, and the little mini brands. And let's see if I can get this out. Yep, again, combination of things. All right, and apparently I cannot juggle this while holding the phone. All right, pause, get my stuff together, and we'll move on. I really like this kitchen. I love that it's not all one piece. I know that the previous one was all one piece, and I like that I can move this island around. This was a Christmas ornament. We got a fa la la one, and then I forget what the other ones. We have 3 of them. One might just be plain, but I like this one. Somebody left the milk on the counter. This is a recent addition, I think. We got some random, like, cleaning things, sponges and whatnot in a lot of stuff we got. Some cleaning products there. It's a weird place for the microwave. I don't usually keep it on the sink because I acknowledge that's weird, or like the island, but it worked for this. And some fun things over on the side of the oven and stove. All right, so here's the other window. And if you notice, I got an image of somebody's backyard. Our grass does not look that green. So I got an image of somebody's backyard, some generic magazine thing, and just cut it in two. So it really looks like you're looking out the window at somebody's backyard. Those cute little concrete birds, by the way, are, I believe, from Target's dollar spot, bullseye spot, whatever, as is this plant. And then I don't know about all of you, but I love the little mini books. I love having them on display. This thing I got it at Goodwill. I know it was half off. Well, hold on. I think the price is on the bottom. Yep. So that means I paid $1 for it, and I think it's cute. I wasn't sure where I'd put it, and I don't know if this is the best place for it, but it's a place for it. This came from Target, the bullseye section. It's a Bluetooth speaker. And then this I got from Michael's, and I have commented on it several times. I just switched out the pictures to put something more springy. This is one of the mini brands Make-Its, and I'm going to do a video at some point showing making some of those. Many of you are familiar with this. You can get it on Amazon, the little MacBook Pro mirror. This is kind of a staple in our dollhouse. I got this picture frame, like a float frame from Joann Fabric, and you can switch it out and put different papers in it. So I think that's a perfect way to kind of keep being able to mix things up on a real, seriously on a budget, because you just have to buy a piece of paper. And there's enough paper left over to do this with. So here's the entertainment center. It is yellowed. I thought I was going to do this great video showing you how I got the yellowing to come off, whatever, counteract the yellowing, but I could not. All of the tips that I tried didn't actually work, so no video on that. It's just going to be yellowed. But cute little books. I covered the little boxes in pink paper, and the inserts for the door I have in that matching paper. American Girl sold this, it's retired now, but sold this with a couple different transparencies, and I have made a lot more just by printing them out on paper. I think my daughter enjoys it. I enjoy seeing some different things on the screen. Cutie Pie doll clothing is the one that made our living room set, by the way. And that pink and purple throw is actually a runner that came with the kitchen set. So it's not a throw, but I just decided to use it that way. And Becky Courier Hoffman made that frame with the vase in it. And she now has a shop, so I'm definitely going to link that in the description. This is me showing you, once we're not in Easter time, this will be the spring kind of look for that space. Yeah, there is some stills of that room. I really like this. I love, love, love our open floor plan. It makes this dollhouse by far my favorite of our three. And I just love the flexibility it gives us. I love the airiness of it. Our own home has an open floor plan downstairs. So I think, yeah, I love that I can move the windows around, move the door around, move the furniture around, and never have to worry about whether things are going to fit. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you spending some time with me, and I hope to see you for my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please, please do so. Most people who watch the videos actually don't subscribe, so I would love it if you subscribe. Tap that notification bell so that you get an update whenever I post new videos. All right, have a great day.